Well, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
We are up and about and heading for a little walk this morning. Thought we'd get some exercise in.
Always a good way to start the day.
So just got a call from Hiddleston's, just confirming that they are loading up their equipment and they will be up here.
They are on their way. Yay!
They will be back up today and hopefully we'll have water.
I don't do very well with no shower for very long, so it's time for a shower and time to be able to clean up the dishes and do our usual thing. It's amazing. You get used to having the luxury of running water, and when you don't have it, you realize how much you miss it.
Well, hopefully today we'll have water. This is day 2 of no well water.
You would think we'd been going on months.
The saga continues. Oh, it's a beautiful day.
Beautiful day in the neighborhood.
I could be up here all the time. Kim needs a beach.
But I do love it up here too. It's beautiful. So one way or the other, mountain, beaches, we got them both. All right, dear. You can't say I haven't contributed to our retirement fund. Put it in your pocket, save it for a rainy day.
We're rich.
Rich in love.
And you're not going to find a prettier morning walk just about anywhere. Everything is so green up here. Big snow year, lots of rain this spring. Everything's nice and green.
The river is flowing. Oh no, the river is running.
That's my line. The river is running. No stealing my line. So what fun things you guys got planned for the 4th of July weekend? We're going to be up here at our cabin, hopefully with water.
Hopefully with water, but just the two of us. Kind of a nice, quiet 4th of July weekend.
Yeah. No fireworks.
No, not in the mountains. But I imagine today, and especially today, there's going to be a lot more rigs coming up here, getting ready for camping. Lots of family fun. It's going to be a lot more busy, probably a lot more people on this little back road hiking trail that we take.
Yeah, a lot of ATVs.
Yep. But we expect that, and that's all okay. Everybody likes to celebrate in their own fashion.
Yep. So happy 4th of July. God bless America.
Absolutely. We are fortunate to live in this great country. Yeah, he's hungry. He's always hungry in the morning. Wakes up hungry. Immediately, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I need food. Food.
So I am going to make him, I think, a little Denver omelet this morning. How's
Ooh.
that sound?
Yum.
All right, let's do it.
Okay. What you making?
Making you an omelet, a Denver omelet. Would you like 2 eggs or 3? I know.
Yep.
I always have to ask, but I already know the answer.
3. It's dining time. We got some breakfast ready, and I'm hungry. Here's what Kim fixed, a nice Denver omelet. Doesn't that look yummy? A fork here. Give this a try. Oh, warm. That's really tasty. Thanks, sweetie. Alrighty, Hiddleston's is here, and we're making some progress. They got the one part that they needed replaced on the cold water well, and then they're going to put the new expansion tank in. They think that should do it on that well, but time will tell. Alrighty, that is a good sign. 50 psi. Yes. All right, let's go check the faucet. We got a bunch of dirty dishes that we need to wash. Let's see what we got. We got water. Woo, woo. Nice, cool water. Okay, that's one. Now we need to get the hot water going. He's heading back to the hot water well, and hopefully we'll have good success there too. 1 out of 2. Okay, friends, I need to show you something. Come on over here to the kitchen, and I want to see if you can tell what I'm doing here. I'm turning on the cold water. You see? Turning off the cold water. Now, going to the hot water. And yes, we have hot water as well. I've got water running in the hot tub, so the pressure's low right now, but it is working! Woohoo! So excited. We are so excited. We actually were even able to take a shower.
Yes, can you tell the difference?
We look halfway decent now.
And we're going out to dinner.
Yep, we're going to celebrate. We're going to go out for dinner. So thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you later.
Bye-bye.